I have a question like, do you think in our society we have the sense of career counseling?
Like in Pakistan, it is so pathetic that majority of the people they don't know what their talents are.
How can we expect students to know about new job trends without expert guidance?
Decide your own destiny. Otherwise, someone else will do it for you.
Yes.
While keeping everyone happy, my happiness committed suicide. Means सबको खुश रखते रखते मेरी अपनी खुशी ने खुदकुशी करनी.
Wow, girl. And sometimes, we are barking up the wrong tree.
Yes.
We haven't discovered our talent,
Yes.
or we haven't decided what in reality we want to do.
Because many career requires heavy investment which not everyone can afford.
If you have the talent of photography, but you are trying you are putting your effort in teaching, obviously you will be teaching, but you will not be tapping your talent.
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hi everyone, this is Khalid. Thanks ever so much to each and everyone that come back and watch our videos to learn and grow with us. Well, as you may have come to know that I love bringing new topics. So today we have come over here and we're gonna have a wonderful discussion. And actually this discussion is based on two questions. Number one is that what should I do? And the second one is what should I become? Actually, these are frequently asked questions. We get, these kind of questions from the student. So we thought that why not we should make a video regarding that. So today's video is going to be a kind of, careers counseling based video. So stay with us. Well, this topic is really interesting because, in Pakistan or likewise countries like Bangladesh or India or some, countries, in childhood, we decided to become something else. Our parents want us to become something else, and we, by the situation, we become something else. Someone wants to become doctor, but he becomes a teacher. Someone else wants to become a teacher, now he becomes engineer.
Yes, right.
And let's see, what we are going to discuss in this video today, okay?
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Maria Khanam, and today I am here for this topic, and the topic is that what should I do and what should I become?
Before I say something, I would like to recite one ayat. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'een. My name is Nadeem Ahmad. I live in Gulshan Iqbal.
Okay, now what do you say about, when many people, want to become something? Like initially in childhood, whenever we ask someone, a child, and we ask that, better, what do you want to become? And they say, I want to become doctor. Someone says, I want to become engineer or something like that. Like, do you think that deciding, from the childhood, it works?
I have seen many students and I have seen many family environments sometimes parents force the child that you have to become a doctor, you have to become an engineer or something like that. But child doesn't want to become that person like engineer or doctor or something like that. Due to family environment, or sometimes I have seen financial issues. Because many career requires heavy investment which not everyone can afford. That's why they don't become a doctor or engineer.
Yeah, actually, I agree with her. Actually, the thing is that, so many people that decide or dream,
Yes, right.
they want to become a doctor or an engineer.
Yes.
But everyone, life is different.
Yes.
And everybody has different circumstances. And also, financial support is really, required.
Yes.
Exactly.
You don't have any, you don't have required money. How can you get admission? And this is education is really expensive nowadays.
Nowadays.
You cannot say that whatever you want to study, you can easily study.
you're right.
This is not reality.
Yes, right.
Education is really difficult and education is really expensive nowadays. And also I would like to add one more thing that, master's degree is not for every Tom, Dick and Harry. Actually, the thing is that this is the misconception in, different countries that everybody is going for the master's degree.
Yes.
It's not for everyone.
Yes,
Master's degree is for someone who really want to become something.
exactly.
Yes.
If you want to show that you are educated, don't go for master's degree. Graduation is enough for that.
I am agreed to your point. I would like to add some more points. I have seen many students or many boys and girls, they don't have sense of career.
Career counseling.
They don't know about many different options beyond doctor, engineer or government jobs. and I think so we don't have sense of career counseling. So I have a question, like, do you think in our society we have the sense of career counseling?
We did not used to have,
Yeah.
don't mind it, but we did not used to have. But now we are getting some kind of sense. People now go and ask the elders or the experienced person, and also many students ask the teachers, sir, my capacity, what should I do in the future? What kind of career should I pursue?
Yes.
Okay, so people are getting awareness, and people are getting this is getting common nowadays. They go and ask. But one more thing is really important over here, and that is talking and taking consultancy from the authentic person.
Exactly.
This is really needed.
This is I wanted to say.
Yes.
Yes.
Many people ask from the same age people. Like if interpass student is asking from interpass student,
Yes.
How
It-
can she or he guide?
yeah, indeed, it will not work.
Yeah.
Okay, so we gotta talk to consultant, proper consultant.
Yes.
Then he or she will guide us the proper way. Also, one more element is really important over here. That consultant asks different kind of questions. Okay, we have to give detail in detail.
Yes.
Why actually they are judging us judging our capacity, compatibility, our interests,
Yes.
okay, our abilities, then they can suggest something for us. Otherwise, if we go directly and ask that what kind of career is here to make a lot of money or print a lot of money, then we are making a terrible mistake, because our capacity, our compatibility, our ability will not match with that career.
Yes.
We have to consider this situation as well.
Sometimes parents often impose their own career choices, ignoring the child's interest.
As you told right now that we have to tell the consultant, right?
Yes.
Consultant. But how can we know that we have that talent or we have this talent when first of all we have to know about our talent, that
Yeah.
we have this talent or we have that talent, then we can tell to right consultant.
Actually, exploring our
Yeah.
talent is really important in the life.
Yes.
Like many people go through the life never discovering their talent, what their talents are.
Yeah.
Physically they are growing, but mentally they are not growing because they don't know
Exactly.
what their talents are. Are you getting it? Like in Pakistan, it is so pathetic that majority of the people, they don't know what their talents are.
Yes.
We gotta understand the situation. That is why so many the doctors who assume themselves they wanted to become doctor, but now they are driving a taxi.
Yes.
They are driving Yango. They are driving InDrive or something
Yes.
like that.
Because
Why?
they know-
Because
would
they just
earn money.
dreamed.
Yeah.
They just dreamed, but they never discovered their talent.
Exactly.
And they might not have talked to any consultant.
Yes.
That might be the reason.
And as you told about, like, we did not used to have career counseling sense,
Yes.
but right now we are getting. But from my perspective, right now we are getting, but not in that way that we have to.
In a proper manner,
Yeah,
or
in a proper
the
way.
required
In Pakistan, we have seen many. I have seen many students. They don't want to learn about career counseling, and they are not interested to learn about career counseling.
Actually,
they just
now
want to make money.
Actually, now it's a huge competition
Yeah.
in the market, and even when we see now there are so many fields.
Exactly.
There used to be few fields. Now there are so many ways you
Yeah.
can make a lot of money.
Exactly.
Just you have to consider your talent and discover your talent. If you have the talent of photography, but you are trying you are putting your effort in teaching, obviously you will be teaching, but you will not be tapping your talent.
Yes.
In your heart, you will be feeling empty. You will be feeling unsatisfactory result. So you need to discover yourself.
Yes. To make one's destiny, अपनी तकदीर खुद बनाना.
Oh, yes, indeed.
Focus on your developing skills and doing your best.
Yeah, and one more thing, like so many students, they delay a lot.
Exactly.
They think after graduation, what should I do? Like when you are in first year, you have to decide what career you want to pursue.
Yes.
Or if you cannot decide, talk to your elders, talk to the consultant, talk to your friends
Yes.
who have knowledge. And now, also, try to discover your talent. What are your interests in different things? What are you into in? Okay, so we have to realize the situation. Then we can do something good for ourselves and for the nation.
Sometimes you learn from your mistakes
Yeah, indeed.
and keep growing as a person.
Yeah, indeed. And sometimes, it's not necessary that when you are doing something, for example, you are teaching,
Yes.
but it's not necessary you cannot change your field. No, not at all. Sometimes making change is really required because, it's not written on the stone that you cannot change your field.
Yes.
It's not like that. For God's sake, so many people, they just because of this sentence that I am doing something in one field, I should not change the field. But it's not like that. If like we are human, we can discover what our talents are and then go according to that. Then we can make
Yes.
a lot of money and we can make our name as well.
Sometimes you learn from your heart and trust. It will lead you to be at a right place. Now, I have a question. Can't money make us happy? Then we go against our values.
Yeah, actually, sometimes I would say some people are so greedy, even their field or the money going against their values. Even then they are happy, but there are so many people. Even a bit element is going against their value. They don't compromise.
Uh,
So this is really important. Like it is different to different people.
do you think we become a psycho when we think a lot?
Okay, becoming psycho is something like a different thing. When you take stress, when you feel anxiety a lot, or you pressure yourself. But thinking is our gift from Allah Subhanahu wa Taala that we have this ability to decide something.
And we have to think like about everything.
Yeah, actually, everything we decide is based on thinking. Like people don't take tension. That is something else.
Yes.
But this is thinking is our ability.
Yeah.
And also, I would say this is golden age. People have come to know the importance of critical thinking. Now, it's not wrong to think a lot and ponder over anything, because when you want to make a good decision,
Yeah.
you have to think a lot. But do not think a lot when you are in the bed.
Yes.
When you are in the bed, you can use the mobile, you can use TikTok or WhatsApp,
Yes,
this and that.
right.
But you should not think a lot about anything. Whatever you want to think in the day, so that you can decide and you can make a good decision.
Do you think fear of failure is not too bad?
Fear of failure is not too bad in my eyes, because
Yes.
why? Actually, the thing is that so many fears, they make our mind, they wake up, they don't make this terrible mistake.
Yes.
So in many situations, fear help us a lot. But when we have psychological fear, they don't they are not connected with our life. That is just in our
Misguide.
head.
Yes.
And they misguide us. That is not good.
Yeah.
That fear is just a real fear.
Sometimes teachers, like college teachers or school teachers, expect students to know about new trend jobs. But from my perspective, at school and colleges have proper career counselors to guide students about career counseling.
Do they have, or they should have?
They should have,
They should have.
because how can we expect student to know about new job trends without expert guidance?
I agree with you, and this is really, I would say, the dirt over here in
Yes.
so many countries. Actually, the thing is that there should be a pattern, or the way when you get enrolled in any kind of school, college, then university.
Yeah.
When you are done with this university, then you should be given the job according to your skills or
Exactly.
according to your career you pursued. Okay, this is really the best way. Otherwise, it's really difficult for so many people to decide what kind of career should they follow. And one more thing, like everybody should not go for white collar job.
Yes.
Okay,
Exactly.
there are so many businesses we can do.
Exactly.
It's not that every time we go for very much big business, we can start a very small business. And business also, starts with Most commonly, we start business with a very small amount, then we grow, and then we build a very, very huge business. So this is always go like this.
Yes, in my opinion, if you start a small business like chocolate company,
Okay.
don't think that you need to become a highly educated first.
Yeah.
Then your business run well.
Okay, what about one more question? And it's a beautiful question and very much connected to this, talk. Like, do you think an educated person can do business in a good manner, or an uneducated person can do? What about this thing?
Connect those people who are expert in these fields.
From my perspective, who knows about smart work, they can, he or she can do business in a proper way rather than educated person or uneducated person.
Yeah, I would say, like education is really necessary for everyone.
Yeah.
Now, gone are the days you find someone and you have address and you are going from one person to another and asking, can you read me this
Yeah.
address? Now, gone are the days. Now,
Yes.
everyone is able to read or write something. But
Majority.
also, one more thing is that very much common education has become compulsory for everyone.
Yes.
So even you want to start a small business, a kind of shop, you must have some kind of education so that you can do in a much better way.
Yes. I have one beautiful line. While keeping everyone happy, my happiness committed suicide. Means सबको खुश रखते रखते मेरी अपनी खुशी ने खुदकुशी कर ली.
Wow, great. Actually, it happens when you don't want to decide your own destination.
Yes.
And you cloud everyone, you allow everyone to just make decision for you. So here I would say, there is a book like 7 Habits of Highly Effective Teens. There the author says, decide your own destiny. Otherwise, someone else will do it for you.
Yes.
This is really practical thing. When you are young, you don't decide your destination.
Yes.
Obviously, your parents, your relatives, or the society will drag you to decide something, and you will start doing that thing.
I have one beautiful line. For me to be a wrong, it is very important for you to be a right. मुझे गलत कहने से पहले आपका सही होना बेहतर है.
Very nice.
Exactly.
Well, in society, I have observed one thing, and that's really important for this video. Like so many times, our youngsters, when they watch someone, he or she is making a lot of money in one field, they want to copy that person.
Yes.
This
Yes.
is a terrible mistake. We should not forget our skills, our ability. We should not forget our attitude,
We do
our
not work-
values,
yes, we do
or
not work
anything
properly.
related to ourselves, and start, copying someone else. That person has other capacity, compatibility, and we are different. To each his own. We should focus our skills, our abilities, and we can make a good life.
Yes.
Okay, we can make a lot of money for us.
I think we should expert in everyone. Otherwise, one line, a bad workman blames his tools. नाच ना आए आंगन टेढ़ा.
Yeah, actually, the thing is that so many people want to become jack of all trades,
Yes.
and they are master of none.
Yes.
We should be well-rounded. We should try our level best to do different things.
Yes.
And we can do. Like I also observe one thing. People when they are doing the job in office,
Yes.
they can't water the plants.
Yes.
They say I can't do this. They cannot change the tire of
Yes.
the vehicle.
Even they says I don't drink water by myself.
Yeah. So
Really?
this is something really bad. We should avoid this habit. We are not super lazy person,
Yes.
and we should like a small kind of work we can do with our hands.
Exactly.
Is-
You see in Western countries, people do every work.
Every work.
By
Every work.
themselves.
Everyone.
Like tire changing.
Yeah.
Yes, this is why I said
And
people
I've
are.
seen many people. This is I want to go out now. Like I want to get out of country, and I want to become a successful person. But they don't know. But they don't want to work by themselves.
Yeah.
Even they don't want to drink water by themselves.
Yeah.
They paint
So
their.
how can they go in out of country and they want to like
And one more thing I would like to add here. Like so many people, they are unable to do anything good in their country, their own
Yes.
country, but they are dreaming that I will go any other country and I will make a lot of money and I will become, philosopher, I will become, scientist, I will
Yes.
become an
I do
engineer.
hard working.
But it doesn't go that way.
Not true.
If a person cannot do anything good in his or her country,
Yes.
how is it possible that he will go to any other country and
Yes. And
make
and
good
good
life?
work.
No.
First we make our own country strong.
We
And then,
gotta do
yes.
it. Like this is our home,
Yes.
our country.
Clean our
like
country.
if you
protect our country.
yeah, indeed.
Yes.
Many people are leaving the country.
Yes.
It's a kind of brain drain.
Yes.
Yeah.
But people like when I usually say that when your country is in delicate situation or
Yes.
hard situation, you should not leave your country.
Yes.
Work for it.
You work
And
for
they say
it. Yes.
no, there is no charming in this country, and people are leaving. So
We have everything
so
in
am
our
I,
country.
and this and that.
We have everything in our country.
We have everything. We just gotta put our effort.
And we just have to become a good citizen.
And
Yes.
sometimes, we are barking up the wrong tree.
Yes.
We haven't discovered our talent,
Yes.
or we haven't decided what in reality we want to do.
Yes, right.
And there are so many fields. Sometimes, if one field is not helping you,
Yes.
you are not the person who cannot change the field.
Yes.
Please, for God's sake, change the field
Change
and
the
go for any other field.
Yes.
And, decide what you can do.
My last point is the karma of dreams was mine, and then we went on. Where I went and where you went. In Urdu we say, दो पल का ख्वाबों का कारवां और फिर चल दिए हम कहाँ तुम कहाँ.
Wow, great. That's really good.
My last point is that we have to make our career. And first of all, we have to discover our talents.
Yes.
And we have to go after metric. From my perspective, we have to go to career counselors. Then we have to make our career.
My last point is that so many people dream in their childhood to become something. Dreaming is not bad, but dreaming without considering the practical life is really bad thing. So many parents, they force, they try their level best to make their children doctor, engineer, or something like that, but their financial condition doesn't support them. So in that kind of situation, they should change their mind and do something else. Don't tie yourself tight with the one field. You are human. You can do everything. You have to discover your talent. Thanks ever so much.